How to set the time duration to auto dim screen while recording on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button. Then tap on the settings icon. After that, in camera settings, scroll down and then tap on camera assistant. Now in here, scroll down, then tap on dim screen while recording. From the pop-up menu, you can choose a time duration of 1 minute, after 2 minutes, after 5 minutes, or after 10 minutes of no input. So here I will select 1 minute. So after 1 minute of no input, the phone will automatically dim the screen while recording. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your camera, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.